welcome. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of creativity and problem solving. We'll explore the groundbreaking work of Edward Paul Torrance, often called the father of creativity. Again, who is the father of creativity? Yes, it's Edward Paul Torrance, and uncover how his ideas can help us all become more innovative thinkers. Our journey begins with understanding the core connection between problem solving and creativity. Creativity isn't just about art. It's about finding new ideas and effective solutions to challenges. Who is Edward Paul Torrance? So, who is this influential figure? Edward Paul Torrance dedicated his life to studying creativity, and his research has had a profound impact on education. Torrance's work became the framework for the field of gifted education, shaping how we identify and nurture creative talent. Diba? Grabe si Edward Paul Torrance. As a professor emeritus of education psychology, Torrance didn't just theorize, he developed practical methods for measuring creativity. He invented the benchmark method for quantifying creativity, diba? Next is the Torrance test of creativity thinking. Challenge the traditional view that IQ alone determines intelligence, proving that creativity is a distinct rather vital ability. Alright, for this slide, we're having a shared activity. Alright, now let's put our problem solving hats on. Here's a fun activity. Explain the matchstick puzzle. Take a moment to pause the video and see if you can solve it. Torrance's creativity framework. At the heart of Torrance's legacy and his creativity framework, a set of key elements that define creative thinking. First, we have fluency. First up is fluency, which is all about generating a large number of ideas. It's not just about remembering facts, but truly understanding and exploring possibilities, or the mentioned keywords are compare, contrast. For example, list as many as you can for a brick in 2 minutes. Like for example, build a house, create a garden border, use a doorstop, grind it into pigments for paint, and smash a window, etc. Next, we have flexibility. This is the ability to approach problems from different angles using a variety of strategies. Keywords, we have change, interpret, etc. For example, brainstorm different ways to improve your commute to, let's say, work or school. For example, take a different routine or leave earlier, use public transportation. We have technological, use a ride-sharing app, invest in an electric scooter, or even work remotely. Next, we have creative or unconventional. Start a carpool with colleges, move closer to, let's say, work or school, bike to work to school, take a helicopter. And for the third one, we have elaboration. This involves adding details and depth to your ideas, making them more complete and impactful. Mention first, price, critic, etc. For example, designing a new type of backpack. Basic ideas. a backpack with more pockets, then elaborate idea, the so-called smart bag, with multiple compartments, including a padded laptop or water bottle holder and a hidden pocket for valuables. It also features built-in panels to charge devices, reflective strips for safety, and an ergonomic design for comfortable wear even when fully loaded. It comes in variety of colors and sizes to suit different needs and preferences. Kumbaga from basic idea to upgraded idea. Basic idea to elaborated idea rather. Alright. A montage of students engage a creative problem-solving activities. Alright. By understanding and cultivating these elements, we can all unlock our creative potential and become more effective problem solver. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of creativity. I hope you're inspired to embrace your own unique creative abilities. Until next time, keep thinking, keep creating, and keep solving.
Hi, I'm Eunice Morines. I'm your next reporter, and I'm going to report first the originality. Originality means quality of being new, unique, or different from anything else. It's about creating or thinking something fresh, not copied or imitated from others. Like for example, if you're a fashion designer, you need to have a originality. You need to think something that is unique, that is new to other people. Next slide would be creating problem solving, or CPS. Creating problem solving is kind of like making or building a way to solve a problem you know. It's when you came up with a new process, method, or things that helps tackle a specific issue or challenge. So it's not just a solving problem, but actually creating a solution or a whole system to deal with problems, like investing a tool, strategy, or a approach that makes solving problem easier or more effective. And the next slide would be the 6 parts of CPS, or creative problem solving, that will be reported by the next reporter.
The following, based on Van Gandhi 1988 description, is a very brief skeleton of a very rich process, showing it in its 6 by 12 stages form. So let's proceed to stage 1. Stage 1 is misfinding. Ang misfinding ay ang first stage ng creative problem solving, kung saan yung hinahanap mo yung mga hidden issues or opportunities o kahit yung mga gulo sa sistema na mga kailangan solusyonan. Inspired kay Paul Torrance, dito kailangan ang divergent thinking, mag-scan ng malawak at mag-obserba. Halimbawa, sa isang retail store, pansin mo na bumababa ang customer satisfaction scores pero hindi mo alam kung bakit. Sa halip na mag-assume, mag-interview ka sa mga customer, pwede mong itanong, ano po yung frustrating sa shopping experience nyo? O mag-obserba ng workflow. Tulad na, ang tagal ng pila sa cashier, kulang sa staff. Tulad ng tolerance, suspending judgment, or huwag mag-focus sa isang problema agad. Baka pala ang totoong issue ay hindi lang sa mabagal na cashier, kundi sa kulang inventory o maling pricing. So, proceed tayo sa stage 2. Stage 2 is data finding. Data finding is gather information about the problem. So, sa stage 2 is paghahanap ng ebidensya. Pagkatapos maging messy sa stage 1, dito naman tayo sa kailangan ng convergent thinking. Mag-focus sa pag-collect ng data para mas maintindihan ang problema. Gamit ang aral ni Torrance, kailangan mo ng fluency or magtanong ng maraming paraan at flexibility. I-organize ang information na may sense. Halimbawa, yung retail store, mag-survey ka sa mga customer, gaano kadalas kayo na di-disappoint sa stock o mag-analyze ng sales data. 50% ng mga umalis na customer, walang nakitang size na gusto. Pwede rin mag 5 ways bakit laging kulang ang stock. So, kasi mabagal ang supplier. Bakit mabagal? Sabi ni Torrance, ask the right questions. Kung hindi, baka ma-miss mo yung route or supplier ang problema, kundi walang sistema sa inventory tracking. So, proceed tayo sa stage 3 problem finding. Sa stage 3 problem finding is convert a fuzzy statement of the problem into a broad statement more suitable for idea finding. So sa stage 3 naman is ang objective natin was to refine the initial problem statement into a more actionable form. We took a broad, somewhat fuzzy statement and converted it into a focused question that would drive our idea generation. Let us relate it to the devastating typhoon that last September. For example, nagsimula tayo sa fuzzy statement. Ang komunidad natin ay may problema sa paghahanda at pagtugon sa Typhoon Upong. Pagkatapos ng analysis, tulad ng pag-review ng mga nakaraan pinsala, kakulangan sa early warning system at mabagal sa evacuation na refine natin ito sa paano natin mapapabilis ang disaster response. So, mapapalakas ang early warning system at masisigurong ligtas ang lahat sa komunidad bago, habang at pagkatapos ng Typhoon Upong. Okay. Explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung mas direct to the point sa problem finding. Sa problem finding stage is mahalagang i-translate ang malabong problema tungo sa actionable na tanong.